Hello my dear champions, how are you all? Welcome to day 21 of our series 99% in 99 days in CBSE mathematics. Okay, today was a very important session. Okay, you had a question paper given to you that you have solved. Okay, this is the solution session for that mock test number 3, which was based on quadratic equation and arithmetic progression. I have given a very challenging paper. This was a moderate to difficult paper. All the questions that I was given in this paper was challenging. So if you have solved it, feel good about it. If you have not solved it, don't feel bad, because paper was given tough on the purpose. Okay, so let's see the solutions, starting from the question number 1. Okay, so let's have a look, bacha. Question number 1 coming up for you. I've given total 5 MCQs, right? So I hope all 5 of you got, all the 5 questions that you've got in MCQ must have been right for all of you. Let's check. Chaliye, question number 1. So if the first 3 terms of an AP is given like this, then find the value of P. 3 terms in AP means what? The difference has to be constant. So please check here. So A2 minus A1 has to be equal to what? A3 minus A2. So please check here. 3P plus 5 minus 3P minus 1 equals to what? 5P plus 1 minus 3P plus 5, right? A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. If you do that, what are you going to get, bacha? 3P plus 5 minus 3P plus 1, okay, equals to 5P plus 1 minus 3P minus 5. Have a look. 3P gone, 5 plus 1 is 6. Over here what I get, this is simply going to be 2P minus 4, bring this minus 4 over here, so 10 equals to 2P, P is 5. P is what, bacha? 5. Option number D. A CBSE PYQ asked in 2024, so I hope all of you got the right answer. Answer is 5. D equals option number D. P equals to 5. Question number 2. The common difference of the AP. Okay, I've done this question in the class also, but please check. It was a good question. 1 by 2Q is the first term. Second term is what? Separate it for the numerator. What are you going to get? Check for the second term. 1 upon 2Q minus 2Q upon 2Q. Next one. 1 upon 2Q minus 4Q upon 2Q. Simplify this. First term is 1 upon 2Q. Second term is what? 1 upon 2Q minus 1. Third term is what? 1 upon 2Q minus 2. What are they asking? Find the common difference. Subtract this and this. What are you going to get? If you subtract this and this will be cancelled. You'll have only minus 1 left. What is the common difference, bacha? Common difference is A2 minus A1, giving us the result to be what? Simply minus 1. Option number A. Option number A, sir. Okay? A2 minus A1, no? Doesn't look like it. Let me just rewrite this part. A2 minus A1, bacha. Okay, answer is minus 1. Please do the subtraction of these two terms. This will get cancelled. Minus 1 minus nothing. Minus 1 minus 0 will be what? Simply minus 1. Question number 2, option number A. Got it? All of you got this answer right? Question number 3, the fourth term from the end. From the end, the formula is what? L4 equals to L minus N minus 1 times of D. What's L, bacha? L is 49. N is what? 4 minus 1. D is how much? Please check. D is plus 3, right? 11 plus 3 is minus 11 plus 3 will be minus 8. So plus 3. So 49 minus 3 times of 3. Please check. So 40. My fourth term from the end is what? 40. 49 minus 9 is what? 40. Option number B is the correct answer, right? B is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 4. The roots of the equation. How will find it? Factorization method can be used. Yeah, we can use, sir. Please check. Again a PYQ. Okay. Again a PYQ, x square plus 3x minus 10, equals to 0. Multiply last and first term. What I'm getting? Minus 10x square. How much is that, bacha? I can make factors of this to get plus 3. So 5 and 2. Okay, sir. X square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. I think I've done this question also in the class. Please check. Take x common over here. So x plus 5. Take minus 2 common here. X plus 5. What's the answer going to be? X minus 2 and x plus 5 after factorization. So x value is either 2 or minus 5. 2 or minus 5. 2 or minus 5, right? Correct, no? 2 or minus 5? Yeah. So option number A. Please cross check. If you're getting a different answer, let me know in the comment section. I'll give you explanation for that. So please let me know. Comment your answer that you're getting, sir, option number B or option number C, like that for any particular question. Write the question number in that particular video's comment section. I'll cross check. I'll verify your answer. Please let me know. Okay. Question number 5. For the quadratic equation x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, the value of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x is what? Are excellent question, right? I think this also was done in the class. This is the formula, right? A square minus, okay, this is formula a square minus 2 times of ab plus b square equals to 0. What is that going to be? So if I write it like this, 1 second, not equal to 0, equals to what, bacha? It is equals to a minus b the whole square. That's the formula, right? Compare here, a is x, b is 1, no? A is x, b is 1. It means I can write this as simply x minus 1 the whole square equals to what? 0. So x equals to how much? 1 from here. We are looking to find what value? X plus 1 upon x. So 1 plus 1 upon 1. How much that is? 1 plus 1. How much is that? 2. How much is that? 2. So option number C is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Got this also right? I think I've done this question. Simple question. Okay. Chali. Question number 5. Assertion reason. Okay. Assertion says that the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2x plus 4 are not real. How do we check the roots? We have to find the value of discriminant. Find the value of discriminant. B square minus 4ac. What's b square, bacha? Check here. 2 is the b. Right? So 2 square minus 4 times of a is how much? 1, sir. A is 1 and c is what, sir? Simply 4. So 4 minus 16, which is what? Minus 12. What I'm getting? D is less than 0. D is less than 0, not equal to. D is less than 0. In this case, what's the roots? The nature we know. The roots will be not real or imaginary. We have unreal roots are not real. So option A is, assertion A is correct. Let's look at the reason now. Reason, if the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, standard form, where a is not equal to 0, that has to be the case, have equal roots. Correct, na? This is true. This is a d value has to be equal to 0. But are they related to each other? Of course they are not, sir. They are two different statements, but they are both true. So option number B. Okay, option number B. Alright. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason does not explain the assertion. Okay, chaliye. Question number 7. Question number 7. Let's have a look. Assertion states that sum of an AP 4, 12, 20, 28, okay, the last term is 100, is 676. Okay, let's see. So we don't know the number of terms, right? We don't know the number of terms. Then how will you solve it? Find it. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 times of d. Am I right? Correct. So please check what is an going to be. 100 here, sir. What is the first term? A. 4, sir. So right here 4, bacha. And we don't know. So n minus 1 d is how much? Check here. 4 to 12 plus 8, right? Bring this 4 on this side. So 100 minus 4 equals to n minus 1 by 8. What I get here? 96 by 8 equals to n minus 1. Cancel this. 12. 8s are 96. 12 is 96, right? Yeah. So I get what? 12 plus 1 equals to n. So n equals to what, bacha? 13. N equals to, the number of terms is what? 13. Okay. So whatever is this. So the sum of the 13 terms. So Sn, basically S of 13 should be coming as what? 676. Let's check here. How will I write this? N upon 2. First term plus the last term. What is n, bacha? N is 13. Okay. First term is 4. This is 100, right? This is 100, right? So what I get? 13 and 104 by 2. Please check. Cancel here. 52. So what I'm getting S13 as 13 into 52. Please check here. Please check here. Okay. So I'm gonna get S13 as 13 2s are 26. So in carries 2. 13 5 is 65 plus 2. 67, right? Is it the same thing? Yes. It means assertion is correct. Assertion is correct. Let's check the reason. Minus 150 is a term of the AP 11850. 11852. Check here. 11852 is the AP given. Okay, and they're saying that one of the term is minus 150. Please check. Please check. Okay, so let's just check right here. Formula of an, a plus n minus 1 times of d. If I take an to be minus 150, a is what? 11, n I don't know, d is what? Minus 3. Please check. 11 minus 8 minus 11 is what? Minus 3. 8 minus 11 is what? Minus 3. Okay. Great. So the n value should be a rational number, not rational number. It should be a natural number. Correct, na? N should be a natural number because we are looking for a number of term, no? So number of term can be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So natural number. So if it is not natural number means, if it is not a natural number means it cannot be a term. For this term, if n is not natural, n is not natural number, please check. If for this term minus 150, I get n not equal to natural number, then this number will not be part of the series, right? Correct, na? Chali, check, let's check it. Bring this 11 over here. So minus 161 equals to n minus 1 minus 3. Bring this over here, it will become 161 by 1 second. It will become 161 by 3. 161 by 3 because negative and negative will cancel, bacha. Please check. So plus 1 I can add on this side, it will become simply n. If you do that, what are you going to get? 164 by 3 equals to n. Can you cancel it? 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So not divisible. So n is not a natural number. Right? In that case, what happens? Minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Given AP. है ना? चलिए. So means this is false, right? This is false. So assertion is true, reason is false. Option number C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option number C. Now, since you are watching this video, I have an announcement for you to, listen to me. What is that? It's about DSET program like we do every year. This is also we are organizing Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. This is a very uniquely combined aptitude and scholarship test. So what it does is it enables the student to understand what is coming up for them after 10th grade. Okay, right now you are not, you must be lost or you must not be very sure what to do after 10th grade. Okay, you must have multiple choices but not clear about it. So this helps you understand that. How can it help? So this is going to be a 3-hour session on the Sunday. The structure we'll talk about it later, but right now understand, if you're somebody who is not sure about maths, so science with maths or science with bio, commerce or arts, do take this test, take this program, go and enroll yourself in the program, and you'll get to know at the end of the program what you should do for that. But if you're somebody who has already decided to be a doctor, to be an engineer, then this will help you understand your competency level, whether you should go for JEE, KSET or NEET, and how can you improve yourself. So all of this can be discussed once you visit our campuses on the Sunday. A 3-hour session, Diksha campuses you can visit. One more thing, how to visit that, how to get into the system, how to do that. The link for this webpage is given in the description. You have to go and visit the webpage, put some information over here, enter all of your details. Once that, our team will get in touch with you, schedule a slot for your whenever you are available on Sunday. Schedule a slot, visit the campuses and get this program done. Okay, so with this, I will go back to the questions now. Again, I'll talk about how this can help you. How exactly question can, a student in a student mind, a question can come, sir, you said it will help me, but how will it help me exactly to understand the competency level? So for that, or to understand my subject level, so for that I'll tell you the structure of the program. You'll get to know at the end of the session. Before that, let's start with the questions. Question number 8 coming up for us. Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. Okay, चलिए लिख लेते हैं. Sum of first 7 terms. So S7 is given as, what is it going to be? 7 by 2, 2a plus 6d, right? N minus 1 into d, so 6d is what? 49. So I have given this 49 equals to 7 by 2, 2a plus 6d. Cancel this 7 and this 7. So 7 7 is 49. I get what? 14 equals to what, bacha? Okay, I don't have to write 14, right? 1 second. I don't have to write 14 over here. Simply write 7 here and cancel this 2 with this. I get what? 7 equals to a plus 3d. Please check. Smart calculation. Yes or no? Please check. S7 is what? S7 is given as, 1 second, sir. S7 is given as 49. So S7 is what? S by 2. So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1 will be what? 7 minus 1, so 6d. Okay. Cancel this 2 with 2a, so only a, 2 with 6d, so 3d. Okay. So a plus 3d. Cancel the 7 with 49, so 7. What I get? 7 equals to a plus 3d. Question number 1. Second statement. 17th term means if you add first 17th term, you're going to get what? 289. So S17 is given as 17 upon 2, 2a plus 16d. What is 17th term given as? 289, right here, bacha. 289, 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d. Have a look. I can cancel something. 17 times 17 is 289, and 2 with this, 2 gone, here I get 8. What I'm getting here, please check. 17 equals to a plus 8d, equation number 2. Now do one thing, subtract 2 and 1. Subtract 2 and equation 1. What I'm going to get, check here. I'm going to get 17 minus 7, so 10. What's that going to be, bacha? 8d minus 3d, so 5d. But I get d as, d is simply 2. है ना? 8d minus 3d, so 5d equals to 10 means d is 2. Okay, find the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms of the AP. Can you find a first? Please use in this equation. I write 7 equals to a plus 3d, right? So 3 times of 2, how much is that, bacha? So a will be 1. Please check. 1 plus 6 will be 7, right? A is 1. Find the sum of first n terms of the AP. Right here, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times of d, है ना? What's n? N is just n only. 2a will be 2. N minus 1 will remain n minus 1. What's the d, bacha? D is going to be 2 again. So right here 2. Expand the bracket, I get what? N by 2. 2 plus 2n minus 2. Cancel 2 is 2 and 2. What I'm getting here? N times of 2n by 2. Cancel this 2 and 2. What I'm getting here? Simply n square. So my final answer is what? My final answer is Sn. What is my final answer, bacha? Please check here. Sn equals to n square is the final answer. Please have a look. Please have a look. Okay, I hope you got it. Question number 8, Sn equals to n square is your final answer. Okay, I've done this question in my regular session also, but I wanted to give you whether you can solve it by yourself or not. I hope you have solved it. If not, please revise this question again. See the solutions. I have just solved it. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are irreciprocal of the zero of the polynomial given like this. Great. Let's say, so what the question is, they've already given a quadratic polynomial like this. Okay, quadratic polynomial like this. Now what they're saying is, zeros of whatever are the zeros of polynomial for this, I can write what? For the zeros, I can write it as alpha and beta. For this polynomial, I can write, let's say the zeros are what? The zeros are alpha and beta. Possible. They're saying that there's another polynomial. There's another polynomial. For that, the zeros is what? 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. They're asking us to what? To find another polynomial. Let's call the polynomial to be what? F of x. Find the polynomial. Okay, not this is f of x, right? So write this polynomial to be simply p of x. Simply p of x. So we are looking for a polynomial p of x which will have the roots or the zeros to be what? 1 by beta and 1 by alpha. Okay, they said no reciprocals, right? They said that reciprocals. Okay, so for this polynomial, what I can write for alpha plus beta, bacha? Tell me here. Minus b by a, sir. Please check. Minus b by a, sir. Some of the roots. What about product, sir? Simply c by a, sir. C by a, sir. Okay. 1 second. C by a and b by a. I'll write this a again. Doesn't look like a. 1 second, sir. C by a. C by a and b by a. Okay. Minus b by a. Now we're looking for what? Let's say this condition is over. I'm looking for the new polynomial. Which polynomial, sir? Px. Okay. For this polynomial, what is the sum? What's the sum, sir? Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros will be what, bacha? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta or not? है ना? Can we add it? Please check. LCM is what? Alpha beta in the denominator. What's this going to be? Beta plus alpha. है ना? Let's call this sum to be S. Let's call this sum to be S. What's alpha plus beta, bacha? Minus b by a. Please check here. Minus b by a. What's product, sir? C by a. Check here. C by a. Can you cancel a and a? Of course you can, right? Please check. A and a is gone, sir. What is sum I'm getting? Sum is coming as minus b by c, sir. Sum is coming as minus b by c, sir. Great. Let's see the product now. Let us see the product now. So for which polynomial again? For px only. What I'm looking for? The product, sir. 1 by alpha times of 1 by beta or not? How come, sir? Because the roots, the zeros are reciprocal, right? So that's why 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. What is going to be? 1 by alpha beta? What's alpha beta, sir? C by a. So I'll get this for 1 upon c by a will become what? A by c. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now write the polynomial. I can write p of x as x square. Please check. X square minus s, the sum times of x, okay, plus the product. Let's call the product to be p, bacha. This is P, P, P. So plus P, put the values now. So x square minus, sum is what? Minus B by C. So minus B by C times of x, what's the product bacha? A by C. A by C. Okay, that's my answer going to be x square plus B by CX plus A by C, or I can write this in simplified way over here as Px equals to what bacha? Cx square plus Bx plus A. Okay, plus A. Okay, now where is this, sir? There's a denominator is there, no? 1 by C will be there, sir. I can write it as a constant, no bacha? I can write this as a constant only. 1 by C is another constant, right? So I can write it as a constant K. I don't have to, but I can write it if I want to. Okay, 1 by K or simply K. So what is the answer? Cx square plus Bx plus A is my final answer. Please have a look. Please have a look. Final answer is what? Cx square plus Bx plus A. Okay, got it? We were given a polynomial for which we assume the root to be alpha beta. Okay, from there what we had to prove bacha? From there we had to find out a polynomial which has a root what? Reciprocal of the 1 by alpha and reciprocal of the what? Alpha and beta. So what is that going to be? 1 by alpha, 1 by beta. Sum will be 1 by alpha plus b 1 by beta. Got it as like this. Sum is going to be minus b by c from this relation using this equation 1 and 2. Using equation 1 and 2, we use this in this condition for sum. Sum came as minus b by c and product came as a by c. Use this in the standard form of polynomial. Okay, got this to be cx square plus bx plus a. Okay, chali. Sir, isn't this question basically for quadratic polynomial? But bachas, I told you, the concept is taught in polynomial. In the exams, the question can be clubbed together from 2 chapters. You have to solve this kind of question. So both in quadratic equation and polynomial, the questions can be clubbed like that. So please learn the both concepts. It's going to be helpful for you. Questions can come. It's a P by Q, right? Please check. It's a P by Q, 2020. Okay, Delhi, but still a P by Q, right? Question number 10, sir. How will you solve? So question number 10. Please have a look, bacha. Please have a look. So 2 power 2x plus 3 is given, minus 65 times of 2 power x minus 1 equals 57. Let's do something over here. I can write this as 2 power 3 separately. Okay, 2 power 2x as it is, minus 65 times of 2 power x minus 1 equals to 57. Okay, I can write this again as 8 times of, please check, 2 power x the whole square. Exponent rule I'm using. First I use the sum rule, product rule. When you take the product, the exponent can be added. So that's what I've used here. 2 power 3, okay, as 8. Now over here the power rule, power to power is power multiplied. So 2 power 2x can be written as 2 power x to power 2. Right now 65 2 power x minus 1, 57. Now take this bacha, 2 power x equals to, take this as t, sir. Take this as t, sir. So look about bacha, 8 t square minus 65 times of t minus 1, 57. Chaliye. Expand now. 8t square minus 65t plus 65, okay, plus 65 minus 57 equals to 0. है ना? 8t square, how much is going to be bacha? Minus 65t and plus 8. Okay, plus 8 equals to 0. Great. So how do you solve it? You can't factorize it, right? Difficult to factorize right now, sir. We can do using formula method, right? So please check. So my a value is going to be 8. My b value is going to be what? Minus 65. C value is going to be what, bacha? C is going to be, sir, C value is, sir, again 8. So please check. Please check. So I can write the value for t to be equal to minus b. So minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a is the formula. I can write over here also. So minus of minus 65 will be what, bacha? Plus 65 plus minus root under minus 65 the whole square. Okay, can I move this line from here? Please check. Yes, sir, I can. Okay, 1 second. All right. Yeah, great. So I can write this as minus 65 square minus 4 times of, right, what is it? A into C. What is that? 8 into 8. 8 into 8, sir, upon whole thing by 2a. So 2 times of, How much is that, bacha? 2 times of 8 again. So please check now. T will become what, bacha? T will become, okay, so T will become, I was just having a look, okay, great. Please check, this is going to be 65 square, excellent. Please check what is this, 8 into 8 into 4. 8 into 8 into 4 is what, bacha? Is going to be basically, I can write this as 16 square, no? Please check. 8 square is this. This is 8 square over there. I don't think you can see that. 1 second. So it's going to be what, bacha? It's 4 into 8, right? So it's going to be 8 square into 2 square, no? So I can write this as minus 16 square, right? 8 square into 4 is what? 2 square, divided by what? Divided by 2 into 8, how much is that? 16, sir. Please check again. Please check again. I can write this as 65. 1 second. 1 second. 65 plus minus. Please check. A square minus B square will be what, bacha? It will be A minus B and A plus B. So 65 minus 16 multiplied with what? 65 plus 16. This whole thing is under the root, divided by what? By 16 only. Now if you check here, I'm getting what? I'm getting this as minus 65. Okay, not minus 65. 1 second. 65 only plus minus. What is that? 65 minus 16 is how much? 5 minus 6 will be 9, and then 49 multiplied with what? Plus. So 6 plus 6 plus 5 is 1. 6 plus 1 7. So again 181 divided by whole thing 16. How much I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting 65 plus minus, check here, 7 into, this is going to be 7 into 9, right? So 63, no? Correct? 65. 9, this will come as 7, right? Root of 49 is 7. Root of 81 is 9, right? So 9 into 7 is 63. Correct, sir. So please check, my first value is going to be what? T1 equals to what, bacha? 65 minus 63. So 2 by 16. Okay, check here. So T1 is how much? T1 is going to be what, bacha? 2 power x only, no? So right here, 2 power x equals to what? 1 by 8, right? It means what? X equals to 1 by 2. First answer. From here, add them. T2 equals to, add them. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 6 plus 6 is what? 12. Divided by 16, right? How much I'm getting? 16 times, so 8, right? Yeah, 8. Okay, so I'm getting this 2 power x equals to what? 8, bacha. So what is this x going to be, bacha? X is going to be, sir, over here what? Okay, 1 second. Wrong. X is going to be what, bacha? Over here minus 3, right? 2 power minus 3 is minus 8. No, 2 power minus 8. I took it as 1 by 2. Okay, 2 power minus 3 is is 1 by 8. So minus 3. Over here what I get? X as 3, sir. 2 cube is 8, and 2 power minus 3 is what? 1 by 3. So what is my answer? X equals to 3 and minus 3. X equals to 3 and minus 3 is my final answer. Have a look. Please have a look. An excellent question. Equal to 3 and minus 3. I hope all of you got this right, but if you have not, I've given you the solution. Please go ahead and check it. From the beginning, I'll just explain you once more. I've taken this 2 power x as t, bacha, okay, over here. Then my equation comes 8t square minus 65t plus 8. I use the formula method to find this t as what? T as this condition, 65 plus minus 63 by 16. So first, if I take 2 by 16, I'm getting, so 1 by 8. So write what? 2 power minus 3, no? Write this as 2 power minus 3. Compare x and minus 3. X is what? Minus 3. Over here, x is what? What is 8? 2 power 3, no? So x and 3, if you compare, 2 power x and 2 power 3, x is 3. My answer is what? X equals to minus 3 and plus 3. I've written over there my final answer. Please have a look. Okay, chali. Great. Okay, is it visible? Moving on to question number 11. Sum of the ages of a man and his son is 45 years. Great. So x plus y is 45. All right. And 5 years ago, their ages means 5 years ago, what will happen to the ages? 5 years ago, what happens to their ages, bacha? X minus 5 and y minus 5 equals to what, bacha? Equals to 124. The product is what? 124, sir. The product is 124. Great. Right? Next, what we need to find their present ages. Represent the above equation or situation in the form of quadratic equation. So basically, we have to find the form the equation and solve for their ages also. Great. But we have to just understand this. What are they asking us? Quadratic equation means only one variable, right? So you have to take out another variable. So if you take from here, what is x going to be, bacha? X is going to be 45 minus y. Yes or no? 45 minus y. Okay, put it here. 45 minus y. 1 second. 45 minus y minus 5 times of y minus 5 equals to what? 124. Please cross check. 45 minus 5 is how much? 40 minus y minus 5 equals to 124. Please cross check how much this is going to be. 40y minus y square, okay, minus 200 with, if you do with 5, and plus 5y equals to what? 124, right? 124. Okay, great. Bring everything on this side. Okay, I'm gonna get what? Y square. I'm taking everything on the other side. Y square minus, how much that bacha? Minus 45y. 40y plus 5y is 45y. Okay, and this minus 200 is over there, will become what? Plus 200. So 124 plus 200 equals to 0. How have I got this? How have I got this? Bringing everything on this side to this side. Okay, so great. Can you simplify this equation? Chaliye, let's see. Y squared, okay, minus 45y, all right, and 324 plus 324 equals to 0, sir. How can I factorize it? Please check. 324, sir. Okay, 324, sir. I can do with 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 3, 9. I can do with 9, right? Check here, 9. So 3s are 27. 9 is 27. I have 5 here left. 5, 4 means 54. 9, 6 are 54. Works, right? So it's a big number. 36 plus 9. Okay, it will work. 36 plus 9 is 45, sir. Okay. So check here, bacha. Y square minus 36y minus. I have to write minus only because I want to have what? Negative 45y minus what? Minus 9y plus 324 equals 0. है ना? Okay. Now take here y common, bacha. Y minus 36 minus 9, you can common here y minus 36. Okay, what I'm getting now, if you check here, simple factorization, right? Okay, so y equals to what? 9 or 36. Great. So if you check this combination, son will have what age? Father and son combo, right? Man and son. So man's age will be what? Man's age will be what, bacha? How come, so? Because x plus y is 45. No, the biggest size, the largest age has to be what? For man only. So 36 years. Okay, and son's age will be what? Son's age will be what, bacha? Chari. Son's age will be what? 9 years. 9 years. 36 years and 9 years. My final answer. Please have a look. So I hope all of you got this answer as well. Simple question, not that difficult to solve. I know you must have got it. चलिए आगे बढ़े. Question number 12. First have a look and then move on to question number 12. Simple problems. Two consecutive positive even integers. Great. Look at here. Positive and even. Positive and even means this is even, right? Positive also I can take. So even. Consecutive means first is this, second is what? 2x plus 2. Even we are looking for. So plus 2 we are going to add. So consecutive, positive, even integers. The sum of those squares are 340. Okay. So 3x is 2x the whole square plus 2x plus 2 the whole square is what? 340. 340. How will you solve it, bacha? Please check here. Sir, 4x square plus 4x square plus 4 plus what? Plus 8x equals to 340, sir. Equals to 340, sir. Bring it over here. 8x square plus 8x. Okay. And what is this going to be, bacha? Minus 336, right? Correct, now? Please check. If I bring this 340 on this side, it will become what? Minus 340. It will become minus 340 plus 4 will be minus 336. Can I take 8 common now? Can I take 8 common? Please check. I'll get x square plus x and what? Minus 8 4s are not 4. Okay. So 8 4s are 32, correct? 8 4s are 32. Okay. And I have what? 8 2s are 16. Correct. Bring this 8 on the side, it will be 0. Right? If you bring this 8 on this side, 0 by 8 will be 0 only. So I can factorize this 42. Factors will be what? 7 and 6. I know you all know this, right? 7x minus 6x minus 42 equals to 0, sir. Take the factors, bacha. What's the factor here? X plus 7, sir. X plus 7. What's the factor here? Minus 6 you can take common. So again x plus 7. What are the factors coming as? X plus 7 and x minus 6 equals to 0. है ना? Right? So my x value is what? Minus 7 and plus 6. Please check. If you equate this bracket to 0, you're going to get what? Minus 7 from here. Equate this bracket to 0, you're going to get what? Plus 6 on that side. So can you take this minus 7? No, sir, because we're looking for positive value only. So what is the answer? We have to take x. Is x 6 the answer? No. X as 6 if you take, not the answer. Answer is what? 2x and 2x plus 2. First number is 12. Second number is 14. These two are my answers, sir. Have a look, bacha. Please have a look. Simple question, very, very simple. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? Yes, please have a look before I move on. Okay, question number 13. Question number 13. Have a look. If the sum of first m terms of an AP is n. Let's not get ahead. Let's write this statement first in the mathematical condition. Sum of first m terms means, please check. It means Sm equals to what? How do you write Sm? M by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 times of d. Sm, right? Sum of first m terms. And this is given as what? Is given as n. So right here, n over here. Can you cross multiply? So 2n equals to m. Can you multiply this? M times of 2a, okay, plus m times of m minus 1 times of d, equation number 1. Right? I have taken this m inside for 2am and m times of m into m minus 1 times d equals to 2m, equation number 1. Second statement, the sum of first n terms, okay, is m. Please check. This time they are asking sum of n terms, sum of first n terms. So right here Sn will be what, bacha? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times of t, given as what? Given as m, sir. So right here Sn as m, it will become what? 2 of m. If you bring this 2 on this side, 2 of m equals to what? Please see, check over here. So n times of 2a plus n times of n minus 1 d, equation number 2. Equation number 2. Great, sir. Okay, now do one thing, subtract 1 and 2. Subtract 1 and 2 or 2 and 1, your choice. So just do this, 2 minus 1, equation 2 minus equation 1, your choice. Okay, you can do 1 minus 2 also, not a problem. Let me do it 2 minus 1. What I'm going to get for the left hand side? 2m minus 2n, sir. 2m minus 2n, sir, the left hand side, 2m minus 2n. For the right hand side, sir, please check. I have 2a common, right? So I can write the first, I'll write like this, 2an minus 2am. I'm not taking it common right now. 2an for the second equation minus 2am from the first equation. Okay, what about this? Write this as well, plus for this condition n times of n minus 1 d minus m times the letter m times of m minus 1 d. I can see something common over here, so let's have a look. Okay, I can take 2 common over here, so let me write in this space. Okay, I'll take this line off. Alright, sir, let me just write it over here. Take 2 common. What I'm getting? M minus n equals to, have a look, I can take 2a common. What I get, bacha? Again n minus m I get, right na? N minus m. What about this? I can take what common over here, bacha? D I can take common, sir. What I'm getting, please check. N square minus n, sir. N square minus n, na? Multiply n with n square, n with minus 1, so minus n. What about this? There's a minus sign, so let's put a minus sign over here. What I get over here, sir? M square minus m, sir. Please check. I've taken d common. I've taken this d and this d common. Okay, this minus sign I've kept as it is over here. Okay, now I can write this thing again. 2 times of m minus n equals to what, bacha? 2a, what is it? N minus m, okay, n minus m plus, I'll write this d part over here, d times of, please have a look, n square, I'll club this together, n square minus m square. So n square minus m square, and I'll put this other thing together. What I'm getting? Minus n plus m. So plus m minus n. M minus n, close the bracket. How come, sir? Check here. This minus and this minus become plus, no? This minus become plus. What I have over here? Minus n plus m, so that's why m minus n. Great, sir. Okay. Now, let me write this thing over there. So 2 times of m minus n, I'm writing this 2 times of m minus n equals to 2a times of n minus m, 2a times of n minus m, no problem, okay, plus this thing, check here, plus d times of n square minus m square plus m minus n. Have a look. Same thing I've written over there. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now moving on, have a look. I can see something is common, right? M minus n, n minus m is coming all the time. So for that, before going to do that, let's make a factors again. I can make a factor one more time. 2a n minus m over here, bachcha. Please check what I'm getting. I'm getting over here for a square minus b square. So n minus m into n plus m, right? What I have over here, take minus sign common on this side. So minus, if I take common, it will become what? N minus m. Please check. For the last bracket, I'm taking minus sign common. So this minus will become plus, so plus n. This m will become negative, so minus m. Okay? Visible? Not visible. Let me rewrite this thing again. The last step. Okay. So I'm taking minus sign common in the last step. So I'm getting what? N minus m over here. N minus m over here. Okay, great. So if I do that, now I'm going to divide everything by n minus m. So if I do that, please check. Please check. Dividing everything by n minus m. Everything by n minus m, sir. Over here also. Everything by n minus m. Check now. If I do this, I can cancel this with what? Minus sign, minus 1. I get what? Minus 2 over this side. What about this? I'm going to cancel this and this directly. What I have left over here? Plus 2a. Okay. What about this? I have to take something common first. So I write d as it is. I can take n minus m common. So take here n minus m common outside. What is left in the bracket? N plus m minus 1 is left. है ना? If I've taken n minus m common, what is left for the last term? This is simply 1 divided by n minus m. Have a look. Cancels now again. What I'm getting, bacha? Minus 2 equals to 2a plus, what is this going to be? Tell me here. I have m plus n over here. M plus n minus 1 times of d. Very, very important. This statement is very, very important. Okay. Minus 2 equals to 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Now we'll go back to look at what they're asking. Then so that the sum of its first m plus n terms is minus m plus n. Okay, minus bracket m plus n. So what are they asking us to prove? Find the value of s of m plus n. If I do that, what I'm getting, bacha? M plus n by 2, the formula. What I get here? 2a plus, what was the term? So write the term over here, m plus n. What is the term here? Term is m plus n. So write the term m plus n minus 1 times of what? The common difference d. Okay, can you see this? 2a plus m plus n minus 1 times d. 2a plus m plus n minus 1 times d. How much is that? Minus 2, sir. So I replace this whole thing by minus 2. What I'm getting? Check here. M plus n by 2. Whole thing, this will become what? Minus 2. Cancel this with the minus sign. If I do that, what I'm getting? My final answer is going to be very simple. I can write on this place also, the left side. I have space on this side. I'm going to get s of m plus n equals to what? There's a m plus n multiplied with a minus 1. I'm getting this answer to be minus of m plus n, sir. Sum of first m plus n terms is what? Minus of m plus n, sir. Have a look. This is what they were asking us to prove. Minus of m plus n. Minus of m plus n. Hence what? Hence proved, sir. Excellent question. Excellent question. Okay, a very good question. As I said, I've set the question paper on difficulty level on purpose because chapter was very easy. AP is very easy. The chapter quadratic equation is very easy. So the question has to be a little bit difficult. So that's why I make the mock test paper to be difficult so that you are prepared for this. Okay, you are prepared for the upcoming examination. Please have a look at all of this. First I wrote for S of m over here, got equation number 1. For S of n I got equation number 2. The difference I've taken, simplified in this manner to get this condition 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d, and got S of m plus n as simply mass of m plus n. Question number 14, the last question of the day, bacha, right? I hope so. I know if you have struggled with question number 13, it's okay, not a problem. I can understand if you have struggled. I have taught you a property on this. In a AP, Sn equals to S 3n square plus 5n, and AK is 164. Find the K value. Remember I taught you this property. An equals to what? Sum of n terms, all terms, minus sum of one term before it. I taught you this, right? Sum of all the terms minus sum of terms before it. Okay. So if you check here, I can write An as what? Sn of what? This. What is bacha Sn? Please check here. Sn is given, no, in this condition. 3n square plus 5n. Okay, plus 5n minus what? I have to replace n by what? N minus 1. So right here minus 3 times of n minus 1 the whole square. Okay, plus 5 times of n minus 1, bacha. N minus 1, sir. Great. Have a look. So 3n square plus 5n. Now what is this? Check here. 3 times of n square plus 1 minus 2n, right? N minus 1 also is what? N square plus 1 minus 2n. What's the last term? 5n minus 5. 5n minus 5. How much is that, bacha? Tell me here. 3n square plus 5n. How much is that? Please check. Simplify this. 3n square plus 3 minus 6n plus 5n minus 5. Can you simplify this? Have a look. I'm getting this to be, okay, I can simplify this over here. 3n square plus 5n, okay, plus 5n. Do the expansion, please. If I do the expansion of the bracket with the minus sign, what I'm getting, have a look. I'm getting this as minus 3n square, okay, minus 3 plus 6n, okay, minus 5n and plus 5. Now check this out. 3n square and gone. Minus 5n plus 5n is gone. What I'm getting finally? 6n, 5 minus 3, so plus 2. 6n plus 2 equals to what? My an. Now in this particular case they have given ak, right? They have given what? ak they have given as 164. So replace this. 6k plus 2 will be equal to what? 164. Okay, so 6k plus 2 will be what? Okay, 1 second. 6k will be what? 162, right? 162. Okay, so k equals to what? 162 upon 6. Check here. K equals to what, bacha? 6 times 2 is 12. I have 4. 6 7s are 42. है ना? 6 1s are 6. So 6 to 12. I have 4. 42. 6 7s are 42. Answer is what? K equals to 27 is my answer. So value of k is 27. Please have a look. If you're getting a different answer, let me know. If I made any mistake in any of the calculation of any of the question, please let me know. Okay, comment your answers. If it is different from the answer that I've given, I'll give you verification for that. I'll verify whether my answer is correct or not. Okay, any other doubt you have, let me know in the comment section. If you want to have the notes of the test solution or any class notes of our ongoing series, what can you do? Join the WhatsApp channel, get the notes delivered to you in your WhatsApp directly. Don't worry about the privacy, will not get your data. Only we are sharing the content in the WhatsApp channel, nothing else. Okay, chali. So this is it, bacha. This completes your mock test number 3 solution. Now as I promised, I'm going to talk about the structure of the DSAT at the end. So structure is what? On the Sunday 3-hour session. Great. First hour will be a lecture. So we'll give you a lecture on any concept, okay, based upon your grade you are in, and then it'll be for common for all the 10th graders. Okay, so you'll have a lecture given by very senior faculty. In that lecture, 45 minutes will be a lecture, concept lecture. Last 15 minutes will be what? A question answer round. Means you can ask your doubts in that whatever you learnt the concept in the particular session. Second 1 hour, the second hour will be what? Aptitude test. You have to write an aptitude test for 1 hour. The 2 hours are gone. Now last 1 hour you can sit back, We will evaluate your test paper. You can sit back, talk to our counselors, talk to our team of counselors, faculty members, and get all of your questions and doubts answered. List down all the doubts that you have about your 10th grade preparation, or how to approach your preparation for any competitive examination. So list out all your concerns in one place, okay, and go ahead, ask all of your doubts. I'm very sure that after this session you will not have any doubt about what to do after 10th grade. Okay, so please make sure that you are using this benefit, okay, and getting all of your questions answered. And if you join us, if you plan to join us, for your preparation for 11th, for any competitive examination, or just for your 11th grade, you'll get a very attractive scholarship based upon your score in your DSAT test, the aptitude test, which is there for 1 hour. You'll get a very attractive scholarship for that. Okay, with this, bacha, I would like to end the session. But if you have not joined if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. We're working hard to give the content to you. So please, if you're here watching the session, if you're learning from us, please subscribe the channel, like our videos, and share with your friends if they need the content. Okay, with this, bacha, I'm ending the session. Keep working hard, keep smiling. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.